Why did you blame me?
I don't trust you at all.
Did he escape from prison?
He will be caught again soon.
Can I pay the money tomorrow?
No, you have to pay now.
Why didn't you come yesterday?
I was very busy.
Can't you make some time?
I will try my best.
Who are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my friend.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my bus.
Do you know when the bus arrives?
I don't know the exact time.
I think it will come after an hour.
Thanks for your information.
How is the weather there?
It is raining here.
It rained a lot this year.
That is true.
That is wrong, right?
That's right.
Would you please open the door?
My pleasure.
What company do you work for?
I work for that company.
How is your work?
My work is good.
How do you go to work?
I go to work on foot.
Would you like to drink coffee with me?
Of course.
Who do you live with?
I live alone.
What's the date today?
Today is the 18th of October.
Where can I find it?
You can find it in any shop.
Have you met her before?
I've met her once.
Did you hide it somewhere?
Try to find it.
Why are you doing this?
I love doing this.
Did you complete the work?
It will take a little more time.
Why don't you want to come?
I have some work at home.
Can't you do it some other time?
No, it is very important.
Should I buy it?
Buy it only if you like it.
Can you help me do it?
I can't. I am busy.
Why is it so difficult?
Nobody told you it would be easy.
How did it happen?
It happened by mistake.
Where could he be?
I can't say for sure.
What are you worried about?
I am worried about my future.
When will we do it?
We will do it when we have free time.
Are you still suspicious of me?
No, I just want to know.
What else do you know?
I have told you everything I know.
Why did you let him come?
He wanted to come.
Does he still live here?
He no longer lives here.
Who were you talking to?
I was talking to my friend.
How did you find out the truth?
The truth can never be hidden.
Can you lend me some money?
Okay, but you will have to give it back soon.
Do you want it?
Yes, I want it very much.
Is everything all right?
I'm just a little tired.
Why are you scared?
I am not fully prepared, that's why.
Is that all?
It may be nothing to you.
But what about me?
It is a big day for me.
Will you come to watch?
I will definitely come for you.
What time will you come?
You tell me when to come.
When is the competition?
It is next Sunday.
Can you come at 6 in the morning?
I don't have a habit of waking up early.
Then what to do?
I will think of something.
Are you just playing with me?
No, please don't think that.
Who lives in that house?
Nobody lives there anymore.
Do you believe that?
No, I don't.
Should I inform everybody?
I've already done that.
Who was with you yesterday?
My mother was with me.
Who am I to you?
You are my best friend.
Do you want to succeed in life?
You must work hard for that.
How can I do it?
You know how to do it.
Do you think I can do this?
You can handle this.
How was your day?
It wasn't that good.
Can you help me?
I'd be glad to.
Who do you live with?
I live with my sister.
Wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you for the compliment.
What did you find?
I found out everything.
Why is he here?
I don't know either.
Why are you alone?
He didn't want to come with me.
Why are you going?
It is an urgent matter.
Why are you lying?
I swear I'm not lying.
Where are you?
I am sitting at home.
Where is my mother?
She is working right now.
Where's the bag?
I kept it over there.
Where's the key?
I don't know. I think it is lost.
How is the work going?
It is going extremely well.
Why are you sad?
Because I have a headache.
Will you come?
Yes, I will come.
What time will you come?
Around 6 p.m.
You look tired.
I am exhausted.
Did you like the food?
Yes, I loved it.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet tall.
When shall we meet?
We will meet when I have free time.
How are you feeling now?
I'm not feeling well now.
I am feeling well.
Thanks for asking.
When will you go to work?
A week later.
How is everything?
Everything is going well now.
How was your day?
I had a great day.
Whom did you meet?
I met my friend.
Why didn't you tell me?
I don't need to tell you everything.
Were you gambling yesterday?
You should never gamble.
Are you addicted?
You must give up on your addiction.
Is it possible?
Everything is possible.
How did his treatment go?
His treatment was a success.
Can I visit him?
You can come tomorrow.
Why can't I come today?
He is not fully well.
Why are you so happy today?
Because I get my salary today.
Why are you so quiet?
Because I am not feeling well.
Why is he always so happy?
Such is his nature.
Why don't you like spicy food?
Because I can't digest it.
Why did you change your job?
You guess the reason yourself.
Why can't you stay still?
Because I'm excited.
Why is he always so busy?
Because he has a lot of responsibilities.
Why do you enjoy traveling?
Because I can see beautiful places.
Why do you like children?
Because they bring a smile to my face.
Why can't you come with us?
Because I have work.
Why should I hire you for the job?
Because I have the skills.
Why don't you drink coffee?
Because it makes me feel sick.
Why do you like dogs?
Because they are loyal.
Why did you fail the exam?
Because I hadn't studied well.
Why does she always wear a hat?
Let's ask her.
Is something wrong?
I don't want to talk right now.
Why are you angry?
I am not angry, I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I lost everything.
You can still succeed.
Okay, I won't give up so easily.
What is bothering you?
I am worried about the interview.
No need to worry.
Everything will be okay.
Just do your best.
I am happy for you.
How can I be happy?
You must always think positive.
Can you show it to me?
I will show you later.
Can you do it alone?
I think I can.
Is there any work?
There is a lot of work.
How long will it take?
I have no idea.
Who will you go with?
I'll go by myself.
Who are those people?
They are my friends.
Where do you work?
I'm unemployed right now.
Is there a shop nearby?
Yes, it is right there.
Do you have it?
I don't have it.
Why do you live alone?
I have no other choice.
Did I do something wrong?
It wasn't your fault.
How was your day?
I had a wonderful day.